Hello everyone, this video is for class 11th AI students and we are going to study unit 3, that is Python programming. So what we are going to learn from this unit, that is basics of Python programming language. We are going to understand what are the character sets in Python, token, modes, operators used in Python, and what are the data types. Next, control statements, CSV files. We are going to study few libraries which are used with Python, that is NumPy, Pandas and scikit-learn. So starting with what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. So you know that high level programming language is a programming language which requires translators like interpreter or compiler for converting this high level program into machine code, because computers can only understand machine language, so we require interpreter or compiler for converting the source program means the program which we write in high level language, so that is called source code or source program. So it is converted into object code means the machine code. So we require interpreter or compiler as a translator for converting source program into object code. Such languages are called high level programming language, and this language was created by Guido van Rossum and the year in which it was released is 1991. यहाँ से 1 mark से क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. MCQs can be asked like in which year Python was released, who is the creator or who is the founder of Python. Python got its name from a BBC comedy series, that is Monty Python's Flying Circus. So it is said that when Rossum was working on Python, on this programming language, so that time he was also studying the script of this comedy series, that is Monty Python's circus. So वहाँ से ही गॉट द आइडिया कि अपनी जो लैंग्वेज ही इज़ वर्किंग ऑन उस लैंग्वेज का क्या शॉर्ट और कुछ यूनिक नेम रखा जाए. सो ही गॉट द आइडिया कि उसका नेम पाइथन होना चाहिए. नाउ व्हाट आर द स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ पाइथन सो दैट पाइथन इज़ सो पॉपुलर एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर AI and other purposes. As it is a high level languages are using simple English words, so it is very easy to implement, to write the programs as well as to understand and to find the errors also. Next, it is interpreted language. It requires interpreter. It is free and open source, free of cost, and open source means its source code is पब्लिकली अवेलेबल, एनी वन कैन सी इट. कोई भी उसे एनहांस कर सकता है, मॉडिफाई कर सकता है. सो इसका सोर्स कोड भी अवेलेबल है पब्लिकली. Next, it is platform independent, means you can use it in multiple platforms. If a code is designed for a particular operating system, then you can use it in other operating systems also. Easy to use and learn, simple syntax similar to human language. Variety of Python editors are there. Python IDLE, which is mostly used by beginners. Then there are PyCharms, Anaconda, Spider. Python can process all characters of ASCII and Unicode. What are these ASCII and Unicode? Unicode and ASCII are the standard codes, means every character, every symbol is assigned a code which is used for electronic communication. So for example, computer cannot understand a text which we are typing, so उन text को क्या दिया जाता है, एक ASCII code, and then that is converted into machine language. Next is widely used in many different domains and industries, so it is used in different fields and industries. Now we are going to talk about Python editors, where the softwares where we can write the source code, where we can write the Python programs. There are various editors and integrated development environment. Integrated development environment means the softwares which provide you the facility to write the program, to build the softwares and to debug them. All the things which we require to build a software, complete package is provided in this software. Some popular options are PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter Notebook, IDLE, etc. The software we are going to use for this unit for learning Python, that is Jupyter Notebook. It is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code. So you can write code and you can share it with others also. Equations, visualization and narrative text. It's widely used in data science, so we are learning data science also in AI, because data science is a domain, is a field of AI and research. It can be installed using Anaconda or with PIP. So Jupyter Notebook can be installed in case it is missing with Python, so you can install it with PIP. PIP क्या है? Package manager है which facilitate you या which helps you in installing the Python packages. ऐसे ही Anaconda भी क्या है? It is also a package installer और पैकेज मैनेजर या फिर पैकेज आपको इंस्टॉल करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट हाउ वी कैन इंस्टॉल Jupyter Notebook and how we can write a simple program in it. How we can open this window. So let's see. For installation of Jupyter Notebook, first we should have Python ideally installed in our computer. So we are going to install ideally using the official website of Python, that is python.org. We have downloaded its setup file. Now we are going to install that. Now we have to double click on the downloaded file. To start installation process, we have to tick on this bottom option. Bottom of the window पे एक option है add python.exe to path और इसके बाद install now पे click करना है. add python.exe to path इस option पे ज़रूरी टिक करना है, otherwise later on you will get some error कि इसको path पे add नहीं किया है when we will install Jupyter Notebook. So it is must to tick that option और उसके बाद the installation process will be started. Now click on close button once it is installed. Now we are going to confirm whether Python is installed properly or not. So we are going to open command prompt. After opening command prompt, we have to write python -- version. थ्रू दिस वी कैन नो कि पाइथन इंस्टॉल हुई है या नहीं हुई है और कौन सा वर्जन इंस्टॉल्ड है. सो यू कैन सी 3.12.4 इज़ इंस्टॉल्ड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल Jupyter Notebook by writing pip install Jupyter. Press enter key and you can see its installation process is started. Once its installation process is complete, you will write Jupyter -- version to check you Jupyter is properly installed or not. तो आपको यहाँ पे Jupyter से related सारी information you will see. Now let's open Jupyter Notebook by just writing the command Jupyter space notebook and we are going to then press enter and then you will see that Jupyter Notebook is opened in a web browser. As it is a web application, so it will be opened in a web browser. Now we have to open a new file by clicking on new and then Python 3 option. Now a new window gets opened, that is Jupyter Notebook window. Here we are going to just display a simple message that is hello. So we have written that message inside the print function here. And now by clicking on run button, we can see the output of the written code. You can see hello is the output. Now we can see the code which is written in the book here. To display this message, hi all, this is how to display a text. ये हमें अगर मैसेज डिस्प्ले करना है टू द यूज़र, देन वी कैन यूज़ प्रिंट फंक्शन to display the message on the output screen, and using print function we can print the message which has to be written inside the parenthesis and then inside quotes. So this is the syntax of displaying any string on the output screen. We are going to discuss the syntax of print function and other things in detail. In this video we are just discussing how to write code in Jupyter Notebook. So it is written that you can work with multiple programs in the same window. So we can make multiple programs. For example, this is a program of displaying a simple message. Then we can also make another program to add two numbers on the same window. So let's see, we are going to open Jupyter Notebook. Now this is the next line. Here you can write another program and you can write multiple lines also here. So you can either write the same code here if you wish or या फिर next line में. Then click on run. In whichever box you will put your cursor, जहाँ पे भी आपका cursor होगा and you will click on run, तो वो वाला code run करेगा. Now you can again copy paste it here and we can display the difference between two numbers. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि sum हो रहा है इन दोनों numbers का. Here we can display the difference now and we will run. तो ये code execute होगा. So we can create multiple programs on the same window. So this is it. In this video हमने इसमें ये डिस्कस किया है कि फीचर्स ऑफ पाइथन क्या है, और पाइथन कौन से ईयर में क्रिएट हुई, किसने क्रिएट की, हु वाज द फाउंडर, and then we have discussed about the Python editors and we have learned how to install Jupyter Notebook. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you in installation of your Jupyter Notebook and understanding the basics of Python. So in next video we are going to discuss the remaining topics, and if you like the video तो please like it, comment करके बताइएगा, and please subscribe the channel also. Thank you for watching this video.